Hello folks, welcome to El Canal Channel Jose. Today we're going to show you, give you an idea how to replace your dome light on a 91 to a 94 Toyota Tercel. Or dome light is worn out, the plastic is dry out and it's falling apart. So we have removed a bigger and better dome light from a 91 to a 94 Toyota Tercel. So there's two different light sizes, and this one is a bigger size and more fancier. So we're going to show you how we're going to replace the one that we have on our car and how to give you an idea how you can do it. So with that, you just got to find the light from a different Tercel. Our light, like we said, is smaller. This one is bigger and is fancier, and we're going to show you how we do it. The only tools that you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver for this process, and that's all. And with that, let's get started. Okay folks, so this is our new dome light, or it's a used one, but from a 91 to a 94 Toyota Tercel, and this is the one that Tercel has, and this one is worn out and it's falling apart. So as you can see, just by putting it next to each other, that this one is a lot bigger and this is more in better shape. So now we're going to give you a close look up on how these two lights look. So here's our overhead dome light, and we're having problems with this turning on. So we're gonna replace it because it's not coming on, and then we're having problems with the plastic is breaking off. So we're gonna replace it, and so as you can see, it doesn't work. So to remove this housing, this whole thing, you just gotta pull it from here, this plastic, peel it and take it off, and then remove two screws that are holding the other structure into the car, and then you can remove it, and then we'll unplug it. Now that we have removed the two screws, what we do is we disconnect the cable, we push this tab and pull it away from the housing of the light. So now here's our old dome light, and it's all wore out and is seeing better days. We're not even going to use a light bulb, we're going to be using LED. And this is our new light that is gonna go up, and this is from the same thing, from a Toyota. This is another Toyota Tercel, but this is more fancier, so we're gonna be using this one. So now we just pull this plastic off the cover to expose the where the screws and the light bulb is gonna go, and we can put it on in the overhead. So now that we have removed our plastic cover, what we do is we take it and we plug it in here, and then we start screwing it into the overhead. Okay folks, so what I have done is that this base is smaller, so it took a smaller hole on the cloth. This one is bigger, so I had to rip a little bit right here, so it will let me move the whole structure to the driver's side, so I can line up the holes for the two screws. Otherwise I will have to just screw it by one screw, but I want to be able to have it solid. So as you can see, it sits right, so I had to cut a little bit of the cloth so I can move it that way. So now that we have put the structure in, what's next is the light bulb. Instead of put the conventional one, we're gonna put a LED, so that way we improve the lighting inside the cab. So we put the light bulb and then we try it. So now we have put the LED light bulb in, so on, door. So now we just put the plastic cover on and we should be done. So now we have the door open. We close it, we turn on, door still closed. We open the door and it works. So this is the housing in the structure that we removed, and as you can see, this one was breaking off and falling apart. So we replaced it with a new one, and now we have a better working light in the dome light. Well, folks, hopefully this video was informative and give you an idea how to replace that dome light on this applies for a 91 to a 94 Toyota Tercel. We got the light from a 91 to a 94 Tercel, and there's two different lights. One is smaller, which we had on our Tercel, and the one we installed is bigger and better, and the quality is actually better. So we install it, we put the LED on it instead of the conventional light bulb, and now we're gonna have a working light for the dome light when we open the door or we turn it on. So we're looking for something at night, we have a working light. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. If you like this video, give us thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here on el canal de Chano Jose.